Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we'll be comparing ynab with simplifi, and I'll be telling you which budgeting app is better for managing your money in 2025. So let's get right into it. So I'll start by simplifi, because simplifi is by Quick and has a super sleek, beginner-friendly interface, as you can see over here. It connects your accounts and gives you a full financial picture instantly. It also uses spending plans and auto-categorization. It's flexible and tracks your spending in a real time without being too hands-on. If I talk about features and automation, it shines in them. Basically, smart spending insights, saving goals, subscription tracking, and custom watch lists. And in the end, if I'll talk about pricing, so Simplify is $3.99 per month, which is usually billed annually, and it also offers some discounts. Now, if we compare Simplify with ynab, so ynab is it has a basically I'll say a learning curve, but once you get it, it's all about total control of every dollar. It uses zero-based budgeting method. You assign every dollar a job. It's proactive and super detailed. If I talk about features and automation, it has goal tracking, age of money, and manual control for every transaction. It costs you around $14.99 per month or $99 per year with no free plan. So, if you want a total budgeting control and don't mind getting hands-on, then YNAB is definitely worth it. But if you prefer a beautiful automated overview of your finances with minimal effort, then definitely go for Simplify. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.